Hey guys, okay, so I'm going to show you how to navigate through this website. So the link I have sent you, go ahead and bookmark that, save it to your computer. So here's the home page. It's got right here the applications, how to log into those things, different resources by each subject, and of course indoor activities, or indoor recess activities. You've got information from Ms. Dameron, the administration team, our librarian, and the counselors. Here you can contact your student's homeroom teacher. However, you have me through Dojo, Seesaw, my text message, and email. So let's look at the applications. So here it's taking you to the home page. So you'll have to log in with that S number. It's the S number and the 6 digits that I have provided for you. What you're going to do is go into my schedule and textbooks. And then you're going to go right here where it says Ed Student. And this is going to take you to nothing. It's supposed to take you to iRead. Let's see. Let me refresh. Okay, so let me do this one. This is for me, and yours will work on the student. I'm assuming mine just doesn't because I'm a teacher. So you're going to go to student, and then you're going to click here for iRead, and it's going to log you in. It's going to say loading, and then whenever it comes up, stay on there. Try to get that at least 20 minutes every single day. Okay, let me get out of here. So also in additional resources, which is this first little tab right here, you can get onto, there's iMath, and then I don't believe iStation is going to work for you guys. Well, it actually will work, but it works at the beginning of the month to test you. Here is what I want you to look at. Hang on, let me make sure that everything else. You have all of these that you can be using. We have Discovery Education should be working for you. Imagine Math. We don't use any of this other stuff in first grade. So here I'm going to go to Scholastic Literacy Pro and Storyworks. This is a good resource. Okay. So this is our Walker account. So you're going to go to Scholastic Literacy Pro. So here you can explore different books, different levels. You can do a book search. Let me see. I know there's a way to do it by level. If you need your students' independent reading level, make sure to get with me if they don't know that offhand, and I will confirm. Here we go, reading level. So let's say they're in H right now. You're going to click H. Push it to make it go away, and then they have a book that they can read from right there. So let's just test. Read it now. So you can highlight certain things in the book to make it interactive and content. So just go through, read the books. Once you get to the end, so whenever I get the report for this, it actually tells me how long the student spent reading the book. So when you get to the end, you're going to close it out. You can go to view, think more, and then it gives you different books down here. But you can always just go back to book search. And then it has a list of books on your student's independent reading level. What are you doing? You can save books to save your favorite books. So here it's telling me like for my group. So when I pull the report, I can see how many minutes have been read, and I can search by the classes to break it down and see all the reports to see who's actually reading what books and how long it's taking them. It also has some different resources you can use here. You can just kind of browse through, but what I would suggest is just staying with that book search, favorite, bookmark their favorite books, have them in my books. When they've read it several times, you can unbookmark them and just find different books to read, just to keep them reading. And again, that's in Scholastic Literacy Pro. Let me X out of that and see what else. Imagine Math. This is something students have been doing in class, so they know how to work this. So this is going to be my report. It's not going to show up what you guys see, so I'm going to go ahead and get out of that. So let me go back to, where is it? This is going to be, so remember, you're going to be focusing or working with the additional resources and my textbook and schedules. And like I said, you will see this part, but it's going to look a little different on your end. You're going to go right in here to Ed Student, and that's going to take you to iRead. Make sure that they are doing iRead daily. Another website, so there's the iMath, but what I like is Prodigy, and Prodigy has been a, is an approved app for the kids to use. So you're going to go to, you can just Google Prodigy game or just Prodigy and it'll come up. You're going to go to prodigygame.com and they're going to go right up here to Play Prodigy. That information I have also shared in their login number. It's their first name, last initial, and then a few numbers. And then the password is math, M-A-T-H. Prodigy also, I get a report. So what I like about Prodigy the most is that I go in and set the skills. So whatever we're working on and whatever students need to be learning and mastering, that's what they're going to be working on Prodigy. And it just makes it fun for them, of course, because it's a game. So make sure to be on that at least 20 minutes every day as well. I'm going to go ahead and X out of that. And I believe, as of right now, that is all I have to share with you guys, how to log on to that. So as always, go ahead and let me know if you have any questions. For that, I'm going to go back here. We're going to look at the resources by subject. Some of this stuff is going to be going away from the website because it's not one of the district supported sites that they sent out to us. But as of right now, it's got different things for reading, writing, math, science, grammar, sight words, phonics, everything that we teach. It's got some amazing virtual field trips that you can do in here. And then indoor recess sites like Go Noodle, the Jack Hartman channel, and Cosmic Kids Yoga, which are things that we use every day in our classroom. Up here at the how-to, there is pictures and step-by-step directions for how to get onto those, which is what I just showed you at the Student Ed website. So, like I said, let me know if you have any questions, any concerns, or if you're having trouble getting onto anything, and I will be able to help you out. Thanks.